Hi brother, how are you? So this is our next video. In this video we will cover these 2 points together. I will tell you what is the reason for these 2 points together because it's important to cover these 2 points together. So how to create a course in details and how to create a user and enroll user in a course. Okay. First of all, let me come to the website. Okay, this is our course all container, the container we sell. Okay, I will come here. So this is my course, the one that I am using. First of all, I will create a user because for this course it's important to create a user and test the things properly. So I am coming here inside administration, and here you can see there is a user tab. I came here and I have add a new user management. There are some options here, upload users. So I will come here first of all, add new user. For example, I have added manual account. Okay, so I will add here the password. These password always should be small, special characters. Like this is capital. These are small and special characters and yes. So first name I'm writing here Taifur. Last name I'm writing here Abbas. I'm writing here my email ID gmail.com. So sometimes customers ask me that why this is important to put always email ID, why we cannot create the username only with name and password. The reason in this one is as per Moodle security, Moodle tell that if someone has, for example, if Taifur is there and he has forgot the password, he always come to admin and tell him that I want to I forget my password and can you set my password. So admin has to work again and he has to create a user and he has to set a new password for him. Sometimes customers came to me, they also asked me that why this is important to like I can create same password and same email id and 20 users can use the same password, same email id. So answer for that one is like for each, for example, in 20 people, 19% has remember his password, but 20th person has forget his password. So what he will do, he will go to website and he will press the forget password. Then the password will be changed for next 20, all 20 customers also. So this is an issue. Always we are using always and some personal email ID, name and details for that one. Okay. This is normal things. City, for example, Chicago. Okay, any country, like the country that you are there, United States. Server time zone also. Okay, like test student. Here I have done. If there is a photo for the food, we can put a photo and just create a user. So now they are telling that here there should be a lowercase letter. First letter should not be the capital. Okay, this is my password. Okay, and create a user. Right. So Taifur is I have created a user. These are, there are some already users, so this is complete user list came here. 8 total users are there. These are example, these are demo users. We can delete them later on or at the end, create a new user. So this is the user that I have created. United States. Okay. So now what is my next step? First we will create a user, then enroll this user into a course. So I have how to create a user and enroll user in the course. So now my next step is to come here and enroll that user in a course. So what I will do, I will come to home. Okay, this is all about container my one course. All right, I came here in this course. This you can see this is mentioned enrollment error. So there is no user added. I will click here and configure enrollment block. Okay, number of items one. Anything you can put it here. Okay, let me save this option here. Okay, so first of all, I have fixed the enrollment block. Second thing, I'm coming here in the option and I'm coming here in more. You can see here in more. In more, there is an option for users. So for each course, we have to come in the enroll users option and click here on enroll user. So now my next step is to enroll Typhoon in this, in this course. So I'm coming here and I'm clicking here enroll user and I'm searching here Typhoon. Okay, so this is Typhoon here. Now what's his role? Role. Typhoon is a student, teacher, manager, non-editing teacher. So I will tell him that Typhoon is a student. So I have enrolled a user here. All right. So Typhoon is the only users in this course. All right. So now the main work is starting now. So I have teach you how to enroll the users and how to coming in this one. So now I will come again on the website, coming in the course. Okay, so this is my course content. I already teach you in my last video how to add this video, how to edit this content. I know, I hope you will know that. So my next step is coming here, course content. Okay, first of all, these are contents here. I have created some content and this can be deleted as well. Like for example, this one, delete that one, anything. Now I will cover, add a topic here. Like for example, adding three topics more. Okay, until 7 it was done. So I will cover, I am coming here in 8. So first of all, I will click here add an activity in this 8 topic. If I have to edit this name, I can edit that one also. Like for example, 8. Just to show you how this one will work. It's eight topics, so we can modify these names also. Now I will come here 8 topic and I will add an activity. So there are a lot of options here. A lot of options here. These are external options. Page, I have showed you how to create a page. URL, book, some external URL books. Folders, you know that how to put the folders, attach the folders. The main points are here. Okay, in this one there are 2 3 more most important. One is assignment, one is chat is important, feedback is important, forum is important, lesson and quiz. These are the important things, and rest all you can see it's just like survey, how was the course and how was the behavior of the teacher and these type of things normally. So I will come here first assignment, okay, and add here. For all these options, adding is the same. Like you just click on add chat, click on add chat, click on add. So I will write it here assignment. It's mentioned assignment here. So in all that previous ones, the this option is the same. Like we will just put the name, small description. We are having some files. The important thing to know is here that when is the allow submission forms. I will mention 13th here, and I will let you know why I have put this date. So like we can start the assignment from a specific date and until a specific time also. Okay, due date we can put also. In this assignment, I'm putting here online text and file submission. There should be a file submission also. And online text, we can put something like words might be 5,000 words up to us, or we can close this option as well. Like we don't want the word limit. If it is 10,000 words, that's fine also. Site upload limit up to you. What is that? Whatever is that. Submission settings, dates, a lot of uh, options are here. You can just click. So I have updated. It's a test assignment. I will go back to the course. Now I have added an assignment on topic 8, right? Now I will come to topic 9 and I will click add an activity and I will click as a chat option. Okay, same like assignment, we will create a chat option, add. It's a chat. Some description, same thing, same things. Chat when you want to start the next chat. Okay, I will put previous one date so we can test, save and display. Okay, so I have added the chat as well. I will come back to the course, our product, and I'll click here option 9. I have already done that. Topic 10, add an activity. You can see what I am doing here. Click assignment, click chat, create a chat. Click forum, create a chat. Feedback, create a chat. Like create form and submission, that's it. And quiz, add a quiz. Same thing. For every single thing, we are doing the same. Only this quiz is a little bit tricky. It's not a tricky, but it's normal. Like it's you that one also. So same thing for quiz also, timings. Previous one date I'm putting just to test it later on. Time limit for this quiz might be 2 minutes. No, I have to finish this quiz in 2 minutes. After finishing the quiz, we can give them grade. Lot of settings, appearance, when it will be appear, images, anything, and save and display. Now this save and display, they will be showing something. No question have been added yet. Rest of the things we can just put some files, some text, these things. But in quiz, we have to add the quiz, like questions. I'll click here, edit quiz. And here, you can see here, add and new question. I'll click new question. And there are some options for these ones also. Okay, multiple choice, true, false, matching, short answers, essay, calculated multiple choice, anything. Like sometimes there are math issues and there are these type of things. So first of all, I click here true and false. Okay, I have created a question. Question name was the course. Anything. Question text. Anything. Default marks 1. Okay, correct answer, false, true. Okay, feedback, some true and these things. Multiple try, save and continue editing. Okay, showing me that it's done. Let me click here preview. So we'll have idea how it is created. How was the course? True, false, true. Okay. Feedback, if I have to put some feedback, then that's fine. So I have done this one also. Now what I'm doing here. So I have created 2 3 options in the course, quiz, chat, these type of things. Now I will test them because I have created a user with Typhoon student and I have enrolled Typhoon in this specific course, the container we sell. Now I will log out from the website. Okay, now it's time for Typhoon user. P capital AIFOOR at 123. Right, so now there is a user called Typhoon. He is a student. First of all, Typhoon will not be able to do anything in the website. Typhoon will just be able to see his own course and that's it. Okay, like this course only. These course will be restricted from Typhoon. Currently, these are all are like visible courses, but this one is a user for Typhoon. I am clicking here on Typhoon, and in this course, I'm coming here. Okay, here are different things that we have done. I will come to 7, 8, 9 points. First quiz, a topic. It's an assignment. I will click here. If you remember in in assignment, it's a test assignment. We have not put in any text. I will come to next point. It's a test chat. Okay. So click here to enter the chat now. I'll click here into the chat. Someone like if that course we have created a chat room. So therefore is here and he has used the chat. Students that will be in that chat room, that will be enrolled in that course, they can reply to Tafur. Okay. So after that, it's a test chat. I have created a it's a test quiz. I'm moving to next point. Okay. No question has been added. Because I have not added any test, or might be because I have created one course in that one. Okay, so it's not showing here because it's showing that you have not, uh, you know, you have not added any course, any chat, any questions. True, false. I have added, but might be I forget to save that one. I'm coming back to school. I have created some first assignment. You can see here student chats, choices, lot of options I have created. So now what your work is to test these all things. If something is missing, something is not working, something you are not able to understand, please let me know so I can explain you that one. Meanwhile, it's a test quiz. I will test quiz uh, in front of you so you will be satisfied. Let me log out. Log in here with admin. So it's a test quiz. I'm coming here. There's no question has been added yet. So I will edit a quiz. True, false. Add. Okay. At number. Okay. So it's true. Is it false? So one question is added here. How was the course? But how time length is mentioned 1 minute. So I will go log out from here. Log in again with Tafur. Sorry. Yes, Tafur. Capital. So now I'm testing the quiz. Time limits 2 minutes. This is a quiz. Attempt the quiz now. Start attempt. So 2 minutes I have to finish that one. I have added only one question here. How was it was awesome? True or false? True. Finish attempt. Okay. So now attempt is finished. Return to attempt. Time left. Okay. Submit all and finish. I can submit this quiz again and again also because I have submitted that one. Submit all and finish. Okay, so it's submitted, right? You can see it's submitted. And it is it true? The correct answer is false. So it's showing me that the result is displaying at the same time. So in this way we can add most of the things in this one. If you like most of the activities, I'll come to activities. Like here activities. Sorry, it's so I have to go to admin again. So most of the activities, you know, that like assignment, quiz, a lot of things, forum discussions. So we can do a lot of things. Anything you want, anything you can test it. We still have 1 day more. I will help you to modify all the things. Anything you feel, any questions, let me know. I will make another video for you. Thank you, brother.